afternoon. Walk away, please go, before you throw your life away. A life that I would share for just a day. We should have met some years ago. For your sake I say, walk away, just go. Walk away and live a life that's full with no regret. Don't look back at me, just try to forget. Why build a dream that cannot come true? So be strong, reach the stars now. Walk away, walk home. I heard your voice, I beg you to stay. So don't say a word, just run away. Goodbye, my love. My tears will fall now that you've gone. I can't help but cry, but I must go on. I'm set right after searching so long. Knew I love you, but I told you, walk away. Thank you.